So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are in the conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. It does have a distinctive feel. And here is the national anthem of Chile. Two high-profile, high-caliber teams. This is a welcome event for all these supporters.
Well, under normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup. I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained. But if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
And we're underway. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Yeah, Alexis Sanchez. He's at his best when he's taking on his man, using his quick feet and close control to turn opposition defences. His skill set means he can play pretty much anywhere in attack, but I also like the fact, Peter, that he doesn't neglect his defensive duties, getting into opponents' faces and shutting them down. That's a big part of what he does.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. He's off on a marauding run. Maripan, hoist it clear. Here's Johnson. Bailey. Towering header! Oh, just needed a better contact.
No, that was a slick move, and there were several options in the box to pick out.
Ah, he's given it away. Out to the right. Aranguiz. And it's Isla. Oh, that's neat. Can he deliver? Aranguiz. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. There could be trouble here. For now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Hoists it forward. Bell. Forward it goes. Anything, Jim, to pick out of these early exchanges?
Well, neither side has really grabbed the initiative, I would say. Both must have come in with a view of not making any early mistakes. So we're seeing some conservatism here.
Reed. What a ball this has turned out to be. Russell. And he has been fouled there. expression, absolute joy! And he's produced a beauty. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. And it's Sanchez, well positioned to make that interception. Goes for goal! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Jamaica know they can rely on the counter, and they've just expressed a warning.
Finds himself eased off the ball. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Aranguiz.
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty pucks. Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Isla. Bravo sends that a long way. Bell. Bailey. Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. Bailey delivers, and he's there to cut it out. Aranguiz. He's made sure that that won't get through. What a throw in. There to make a great save.
Johnson sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Maripan attempts a clearance. And it's Oriana. Valdez. Now it's Sanchez. Vidal. Chile have a free kick. It's come through. Has a pop! Russell tries to get it forward quickly. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Reed. Vidal did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Maripan plays it forward. Has a pop! It's there! And comfort! Oh, high quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second. Jamaica take a 2-goal lead and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Deep cross. That's not going far. Chile get it back again. Diaz. Eduardo Vargas. Great run on the overlap here. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again.
That needed to end with efficiency and incision, and we got neither.
Pinnock, and it's played forward. Reed. Nicholson. Bailey. Bell. Decent progress down the left. Tries to get some whip on it. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly. Reed. Reed! Oh, denied brilliantly.
Reed simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
That's been levered clear. Oh, shooting chance! Vidal gets rid without sophistication. Pinnock. Reed. Eduardo Vargas. Now it's Sanchez. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Going to go down too well with his teammates. We've reached half-time. Would you review the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Jamaica in control at half-time, 2-0. Here we go again then. No changes at half-time that we're aware of. Nicholson, the scorer already in the game. Bailey. Plays it out to the wing. Shapes to shoot. Just misses past the post.
Reed nearly produced a moment of magic. He knew the strike was pure.
Sanchez tried to play it through.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Vidal. Valdez. And they win it back again. Keeper's got good distance on that. And it's got through. Aranguiz. it's Vargas. He's got the ball glued to his feet. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Reed goes looking. Pinnock. Bailey. He spotted the run and played him through.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
Eduardo Vargas gets it out to the wing. Low. Hoists it forward. Battles to win it back. And here's Alexis Sanchez. He's away. Goes for goal! Eduardo Vargas. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Reed. Danger averted for now. It'll be a throw-in. Chance! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Johnson is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Diaz. Away from immediate danger. Nicholson. Richards! Forward it goes. And it's Vargas. Gets his foot in there. Pinnock. Tries to get it forward quickly. Bell. Plays a clever pass. And through to the goalkeeper. It's Oriana. Isla. Aranguis. Overhit and out of play.
Jamaica really have been alive to interceptions and picking off any loose balls.
Low. Bell tries to locate someone up front. Diaz. Maripan. Diaz. Almost 75 minutes on the clock now. And it's played forward. Cuts it out. Now it's Vargas. Valdez. Chile. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. And he has shown him a yellow card.
I just think it was a cheap foul to give away.
Nicholson. Reed. Now it's been shapes to shoot! Yes! And they are pulling clear here. Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final ball was. It took the defence out of the equation for that split moment, and the damage was all done.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. Just brushed off the ball there. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Bailey is being picked on here.
Yeah, now that he scored, this defence is on high alert whenever he goes anywhere near the ball.
And the finish! Oh, the keeper's equal to it.
Well, I think a little eagerness just got the better of him. He may have been thinking about back page headlines there.
Oh, it's Aranguis. Eduardo Vargas. Reed plays it forward, and he's straight offside. Jamaica making consecutive changes here.
Yeah, I just think that's really good management, introducing one of his younger players when the pressure's totally off, just allowing him some valuable, easy on-field experience time.
Drives it towards the front. Oh, real danger here. Time to deliver. He's had a look. Aranguis gets good distance on it. McGee. Going for goal. Keeper's got his work done. So, time for changes on both sides, actually. Gets up to head it! They've done it! Surely now they are well and truly out of sight. It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as a nail the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
It's become a case of men against boys.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Diaz goes looking. There's a long ball. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. Lee. Forward it goes.
McGee.
Good ball. Pinares. Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time. Sanchez drives it forward. shoots! No, that's just wide. The changes then in quick succession.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour it.
Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Jamaica enjoy their perfect day. For their victims, it is entirely imperfect. Comprehensive winners of a one-sided contest.